The ancient Indian science of life called Ayurveda explains that human beings, like the universe, are made up of each of the 5 elements: air, space, fire, water, and earth, and the soul. Therefore, our bodies are a microcosm of the universe within itself. How are these elements expressed in our bodies? Air is inhaled during breathing. It pumps the blood through our system to keep us alive. Space is in the hollow cavities of the body, and we require space to move around. Fire is a part of our digestive system that helps to break down the food we eat and burn calories to give us energy. Water composes about 2/3 of our body, and we need water to survive. And earth is in our bones and in our vital minerals that keep us healthy. These elements, in their biological form, are known as doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha.